Today's video, I'm painting on sneakers. Hi guys, I'm Vasu again. We are doing another video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your old sneakers into a new jazzy fashion piece. Alright guys, so for the first step, I will be using a tape. You can use a duct tape or a painter's tape. So we have to prepare our sneakers, so I'm going to take it piece by piece, the duct tape, and go all around the sole of the sneaker. I want the sneaker sole. Alright, after taping both the sneakers, I'm gonna pull out laces. Don't forget to do that. I would recommend Liquitex water-based spray pen. You can use them inside of your house. And I would start with a neon yellow. Now I'm wearing latex gloves, so I won't make a mess on my hands. I usually press down the fibers so it will look even, the paint. So when you paint, you might notice that the fibers of the fabric might stand up and look a little weird. So I'm just pressing it down with the hands. Now I'm going to focus on this guy. This one I'm going to paint neon red. So considering our donut, I will give the base color for my donut, which will be a little bit of red. Now watch this, into my yellow. So just a tad bit of red into lots of yellow. Get the sneaker, and I'm gonna start making these circles. Alright guys, now I'm going to make the frosting color for my donuts. I will start with pink. You will need base white. And then add a little bit of red in it. Just a tad bit. Okay. I will make like a teal color or turquoise. So for that I'll take white one more time, add just a little bit of blue and yellow. Now, one more color I'm going to add for my frosting is a brown for chocolate. Teal frosting. Let's start with the small brush inside. I'm going to make another outline inside of the donut like this. And then outside, I'm going to do an uneven squiggly. And fill inside of the curvy line in the center and the squiggly line outside. Alright, one down, and then I'm gonna do a couple. Now I'm going to repeat all the frosting colors onto the neon red sneaker. Add a little curvy stroke anywhere you like on the donut, outside the donut. Now guys, we will use Sharpie pen and outline each and everything down to the sprinkle. Alright, here we go. After outlining everything, we're going to add in some highlights, and that will be our last step. So I'm going to work with just the white and on random areas and just adding some white highlights.